Right, so just a quick video in better quality light of the stock for the SMK XS26. There's a couple of people that asked, so I just wanted to show you a better kind of view of it, and also something I probably would have done different next time. So, like I said before, the stock or the handle of the XS26, this is very thick, hard plastic. But this is hollow. This entire portion is hollow. So all I did was, in the bottom of it, I drilled 2 holes, stuck 2 bolts going through, and bolted on this piece of wood. It could be metal, wood, whatever you like. I've now painted it black because it's going to stay on there permanent. And in that, there's 2 holes drilled. That's going to be on there forever now. So the stock is birch laminated wood layers, just shaped, a butt pad on there, pellet holder there, and 2 bolts put in here. Now one is permanently in. This could have been a metal rod, but that's what I had. One is permanently glued in, the other one is movable but could be permanently glued in. Then you undo your wing nut. This one just stops it moving side to side. This one tightens it up. So they just slot in there. Oh, sorry, got to be this way round. It's on top. So if you put it, it could go underneath, which I'm going to explain in a minute. Right? It could have gone underneath, but I think that's too low. So you may have to kind of have, it need to be built up this way, if you know what I mean. So it'd have to be put on like that. Right, anyway, mine goes on top. Goes in, both pins, and then you just do the wing nut up. When you finish using it, you undo it again. Take it off. Store it in a bag, whatever. Now what I thought of later on, which you'll notice, I nearly said, you'll have to just imagine this is up the other way. Had I put it on like this, you could have even put that one, you could have done it like this, right? But you just got to imagine this is the other way around, right? You could have put one long bolt through here with a locking nut on it, had this one removable, then when you'd finish shooting, you could just fold it up into that position and put it in the bag. That's quite big. Like I said, it really wants to be like that. But had I done it the other way around, I could have done it so it's permanently on there. You know, kind of folding stock rather than a removable stock. And it could come back round, back like that. But I've done it so it comes on and off. Anyway, just thought I'd show you that, because when I showed you it the last time, light was a bit dark in the garage. Much better with a stock. Pellet holder is just a piece of foam, some holes pushed through it, and you just slot the pellets in there. Right, cheers for watching. I'll see you later.